spotted going southeast. Dispatch, roadblocks have arrived at R20. 10-4, all units, roadblocks have been set up. Target is driving in a northeasterly direction. Guy's not slowing. Code 3, gonna stop him. Someone's catching up, disabling. All points, air support will be arriving on scene soon. That's your eye in the sky. We have the target in sight. Priority 1 alert. All units are in pursuit of a felon entering our jurisdiction. Locations on your screen. Roadblocks are in effect. We read you. All points, units have sealed the road ahead of the target. We're running low on fuel, dispatch. We'll have to bug out soon. We read you. Grand.net, moving to disable the target. Roadblocks are on scene and operation. Roger. Heads up. Roadblocks are in operation ahead of the target. Shutting him down. Target is southbound. Deep southbound. Copy. All cars, we've got a high-speed pursuit entering our area. Move to assist pursuing officers ASAP. Taking a shot at immobilizing. Dispatch, one of our units is no longer mobile. Message received. Pursuit is looking good from up here, Control. That's 10-4. He's dangerous. Moving to intercept. Force in our hand here, intercepting. Target's in my rear view. Setting him down. Great. Buffer a full stop. This is air support. Target is still running, but we have a solid visual. We read you. He's on my 6. Going for a takedown. Priority 1 alert. All units are in pursuit of a felon entering our jurisdiction. Locations on your screen. Target is right behind me. I'm ending this. Goddamn, he's slippery. We have roadblocks set up and ready, Control. Copy that. All pursuit units be advised. Roadblocks are in place. Driving east, still on the target vehicle. Message received. You're due with another chopper up here, Control. Copy. Shutting him down. We missed him. Target is still running. All cars, we've got a high-speed pursuit entering our area. Move to assist pursuing officers ASAP. Roger. Control, roadblocks are in effect. Roger. Heads up. Roadblocks are in operation ahead of the target. Target sighted, turning southwest. up. We're intercepting. This is air support. Target is still running, but we have a solid visual. Message received. Priority 1 alert. All units are in entering our jurisdiction. Locations on your screen. Safe. Target vehicle is driving due south at this time. We region. Roadblock units are in place, dispatch. Pursuit is looking good from up here, Control. That's 10-4. He's going southwest. I'm on his 6, Control. We're gonna ram him. That Ammy's slippery. We're shutting him down. We're running low on fuel, dispatch. Gonna have to bug out soon. We region. We got a unit down here. That's 10-4. Force in our hand here, intercepting. Great. Priority 1 alert. All units are dangerous. Entering our jurisdiction. Locations on your screen. Turn in, understood. Taking a shot at immobilizing. Heads up. We're intercepting. Target is right behind me. I'm ending this. We're on him. Unit 5 going in. Shutting him down. We got a unit down here. Priority 1 alert. All units are dangerous. Entering our jurisdiction. Locations on your screen. Roger that. He's changed direction. Target is now northwestbound. Keep clear. Ramming. Target is just ahead of me, moving to shunt. Great. I can't get in there, Control. Moving to disable the target. He's on my 6. Going for a takedown. I got a window. Gonna shunt him. Guys up. All cars. We've got a high-speed pursuit entering our area. To assist pursuing officers ASAP. 10-4. He's dangerous. We're moving to intercept. He's still on the move, heading west. We region. Target's in my rear view. Shutting him down. return to base immediately.